Well, this is the latest revision of our EVP sampler. It's the same as the Mark II, a few differences. The layout may vary from device to device. So it's got an output, an audio output that you can put into your PC. So you can record any of the captured samples to EVP software. But this device is obviously built for use in the field to record EVPs via a microphone. So if we just slot in this microphone and we set the sample rate to 12 o'clock, if I record, you'll see the record light comes on. So I'd call out my EVP. So, hello, can anyone reach out to me? And you wait for a response, and then you can play that back. Hello, can anyone reach out to me? But you can also vary the playback rate.
Hello, can anyone reach out to me?
The ideal rate for playing back an EVP is supposedly between 70 and 80%. But I guess that's down to personal preference. Hello, can anyone reach out to me? Hello, can anyone reach out to me?
Hello, can anyone reach out to me?
That's my dogs in the background, by the way. It's not the EVP. So you can put in a selection of different mics into this. So you can have small button mics. You can have a mic that you attach to your collar, and then you can use desktop mics. The Rode mics are very sensitive mics, amplified mics. We've also tried it with a raw dive mic. Not got a great deal of experience using these. Obviously it won't pick up my voice, it'll just be picking up frequencies through the germanium diode. But if I play that back, obviously I pick nothing up, but you can play that back at different rates, and as suggested, you can actually put that into your PC to record. So another little neat feature, if you've got an EVP recorder, let's see if I've got some music playing here. Not at the moment. I'll just I want to get done for copyright, but if again you can plug in sorry, that needs to go on the top. Obviously, and a mic, so you can push that into the mic. And if you've got an EVP that you've recorded to your EVP recorder on your phone and it's got a 3.5mm output, you can connect it via a lead into this device. Again, you can start recording. This time it's got no mic in, so it's not going to pick up on my voice. It's going to be recording your actual EVP that you've made earlier. So you brought me fame and fortune and everything but gold. I thank you all. So you can actually play back your EVPs in the field and adjust the speed without downloading them to a PC or using EVP software. Okay, you've been watching Infrared. Thanks for watching. If you please like, share, etc. Be much appreciated.